Good day everyone. Buenos dias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite, near Balite to feature this farm lot for sale. So this property with a total land area of 4,000 square meters at ang ganda nung pinaka frontage nito kasi you have 80 meters frontage or less, mga 70 to 80 meters frontage. So this property with a nice direction kasi it's facing the morning sun, and right now meron siyang unfinished swimming pool and meron siyang bahay. Ang maganda talaga dito, it's a fully fenced. So this property with nice elevation of 340 meters above sea level. So malamig din itong property, itong Amadeo. Ang ganda nito kasi pwede siyang gawing commercial kasi along the road. Okay, so kung bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, no, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that bells to get you notified for whenever release new YouTube videos. Also, we're on Viber, WhatsApp, Imo, email, Messenger, and Facebook by simply clicking that link below on the description box. Okay, so my name is Ray and let's start the house tour. Anyway, so this property is selling in the market for 15 million pesos. It's a titled property. Okay, so pwede nito gawing commercial, no, kasi along the road. At potentially for my assessment, so pwede siyang gawing restaurant or staycation house and events place. So maglalagay lang po kayo ng hotel or structure or bahay para ma-develop at ma-improve itong property nito. Pero for me, it's a good deal. Okay? Okay, so pasukin natin yung property. Okay, it's a lot for sale. It's a 4,000 square meters. Alright. Right, so meron kang tatlong entrance. Ito yung bahay na unfinished house. Okay, so punta tayo dun sa pinto. Okay, so itong bahay no parang giveaway na yan. Okay, so ang binibili mo lang talaga dito is the property. Okay, so maganda yung lote kasi it's patag. Ayan, ganyan siya. Okay, meron siyang malaking swimming pool na hindi pa tapos. Okay, pupuntahan natin, ha? Ito-drone natin yan later. Okay, ang ganda ng area. Wow. Okay, from here, and this is the area kasi it's 4,000 square meters. So this is almost half hectare property. And meron siyang mga nyog, may bunga na. At meron siyang santol. Tingnan mo naman. Okay, so dito, ang lalaki ng mga santol, mga Bangkok santol. Okay, so dito sa likod na to, meron kang malaking swimming pool. This one is unfinished. I-refurbish lang to. Pero ang ganda rin yung tiles na ginamit nila. Ayan, malaki yung swimming pool. Wow. Okay. Nice. Malaki. So perfect siya for events place. Perfect siya for farmhouse at saka isang malaking hotel. Okay, so it's a polyfence property, guys. Ayan, tingnan mo na yan. Okay, marami siya mga fruit benches. Ang ganda rin yung slide niya kasi malaki yung slide. And sa likod, meron siyang water pump at meron siyang unfinished na parang bathroom or CR. And dito sa side na to. So maganda yung property kasi patag na. Okay, meron siyang mga bibe. Okay. For me, no? Okay, this one is the small pool. It's a small pool. Okay, yung isa parang malaki siya. Malaking size ng swimming pool. It's lap pool. Okay. For 15 million price, may bakod na malapit sa City Bex. Malapit sa mga tourist attraction. I-develop mo na lang talaga, no? Pwede mong lagyan dito ng malaking bahay at marami ka pang area wherein pwede kang mag-cultivate. Okay, magtanim. Okay, in terms of mga fruit trees, ang dami. Alright, di ba? Ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung dikit siya sa 2-lane road. No? Kaya meron siyang linya ng kuryente, may linya ng internet. Ayan yung fence, paikot. Tingin naman, paikot yung property, yung fence. Kaya ito, panalo to. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo yung ganitong property, guys, you can contact us on the numbers visible on the screen. So this is a hot sale. Again, thank you so much to the seller na tumawag sa atin. And sa ating liaison na nag-locate nitong property na ito. Okay, so wow, nice guys. Okay, so if you are interested to buy this one, this is a titled property. The seller is alive. So selling for 15 million pesos. Ayan, panalo ito. Okay, so from here to Manila, mga 1 hour and 20 minutes drive. Or from here to Tagaytay City, it's mga 30 minutes drive. Okay, so ayan, 'di ba? Ang sarap din ng ganito mga video kasi alam bakit, kahit nasa abroad kayo tapos meron kayong mga napapanood ng mga house tour videos tulad nito, parang ang feeling nyo nasa Pilipinas pa rin kayo. 'Di ba? Lalo na we have the same dialect. Ayan, at least parang feel mo na parang nasa Pinas ka pa rin, although nasa ibang bansa ka. Pero shout out sa ating mga kaibigan at mga buyers na bumili ng property sa atin, no? So nagpapasalamat kami. So alam ko marami kayo, pero thank you very big. Okay, ayan yung frontage. May kapitbahay ka. And then ayan yung swimming pool area. Look at that. Nice, right? Okay, so once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everybody.